Primarily under the hygiene category, what we offer in Rentokil Initial, we can categorize them in 5 broad categories. The number one is going to be our key offering, which we call as, which is feminine hygiene. So under feminine hygiene, we offer feminine hygiene concept services, as we call, or feminine hygiene bins. We offer sanitary napkin vending machines. There are different kind of options when it comes to sanitary napkin vending machines. We have the traditional push button or the coin one. We also have the sensor based, and we are the first company in India also to launch a digital UPI based sanitary napkin vending machine. Apart from the feminine hygiene bit, we have air care. Under air care, we have air fresheners, we have air purifiers, we also have large area scenting, and I have something very special which we have recently launched, which is a product called as Virus Killer. Then we have hand hygiene. We have an entire range of hand hygiene products, which includes hand soaps, hand sanitizers, hand dryers. We have door handles, a very specific product which we launched last year. And then we have an entire range of paper fit products also, which includes the tissue papers and all. Then we have the toilet or cubicle hygiene. Under that, we have toilet seat sanitizers. We have autogenitors. That's a product which kind of keeps cleaning the WC or the urinals on its own through a mechanism which is installed. We have urinal screens. Then we also have something which is used in mostly all of the toilets nowadays for something which we call as drainoscopy. That's a service which we do to use, keep cleaning all the clogged drains. That's a trademark service which we have. Then we have surface hygiene, which we have antimicrobial films, and then we have floor mats under that. So these are the 5 broad categories under which we can consolidate all our offerings right now. Yes, definitely we have the sanitizers. We also have the no-touch or automatic dispensers for all the sanitizers. So it's very important people not keep touching the sanitizers and the dispensers again and again. So we have a automatic dispensers which is there. Again, as I said, for any kind of clogging, which is very common into industries or the floor, shop floor, which we call as. So the drainoscopy as a solution, which we offer not only for washrooms, it is also good for anywhere where the drains are there. It can be there in the cafeteria also. So drain cleaning is very important to keep the shop floor hygienic and any kind of bacteria or pathogen free. Then we have the antimicrobial films or antibacterial films. These are primarily used for any kind of surfaces where human beings are kind of touching those surfaces. So these films automatically kind of deactivates the bacteria on those surfaces. And then we have the new range of our product, which we call as the Virus Killer. So the Virus Killer is one of a kind product which is very effective, especially in the current scenario, to kill any kind of pathogens. It has efficacy of 99.9999%. So this is a product which is really very effective for industrial segment. So more importantly, specifically in last 1.5 years, what we have seen, what people are looking for is a company which can offer faster services, which can offer personalized attention, which has a pan-India presence. So that's something which is Rentokil Initial has been offering. We have been working throughout the pandemic period, thanks that we are part of essential services. All the branch offices are functional. So what we are doing from warehouses, again, some of the key e-com sites also, where we have our services going to their warehouses, primarily around sanitizers, as I said, automatic dispensers, vending machines, and feminine hygiene services. Because within the time of pandemic, it is very important, especially for the female staff also, that they should feel safe within the place of work. So if I talk about Rentokil's overall history, a company which is more than 100 years old, having presence in more than 90 countries, part of the FTSE exchange. A legacy is something which is very, very important in terms of the quality of products and services which we have to offer. Now, the product which we have launched last year is something which is called as Virus Killer. Rentokil is distributing this product to almost 40 countries. This is a product which is with a legacy of almost 17 years. The product has been tested globally. It is, I'm also happy to tell you that last week we also got this product tested at an NABL certified laboratory within India. And the report which we got of the test of this product is really, really very, very encouraging. So how it differs is in terms of that it has capability of killing most of the pathogens, in terms of the RNA viruses, in terms of the DNA viruses. It deactivates most of these viruses at 99.9999%, as I stated earlier also. How is Rentokil differentiating in our offering is definitely very important, which comes, there can be lot many players in the market, but how well do you service your clients? So we have a pan-India setup which is there. Across the country we are offering this product. Secondly, we are also having multiple choices in terms of the buying choices which we are giving to our esteemed clients. So the product is available for outright sales. The product is available in a rental model. We are also offering a comprehensive 2-year, 3-year AMC model for these clients. One thing which is a very positive thing which has happened during the pandemic is people have realized the importance of hygiene. It's not that people were not knowing about hygiene, but now they have started to realize the importance of hygiene. Rentokil Initial Hygiene is the only company in India which I can say which has got a pan-India network. So we are the only organized service provider when it comes to the hygiene space. We are the only company which is giving you a complete array of solutions. Most of the companies may be offering things as a product, but Rentokil is offering all these solutions as a service. So this is very, very important that you should look for a company which has got a setup in terms of service which we can offer at pan-India level. Definitely, we have got the antimicrobial films, which is very important for hand hygiene now. Wherever we are putting our hands, it's very important that the company should install antimicrobial films in the areas which are prominently touched, or maybe this can be the elevators, this can be handrails and all. So these antimicrobial films deactivates any kind of microbes and bacteria. Drain cleaning solutions, which I told you about, that which is the drainoscopy solution. Any of the companies which are now reopening their offices, it is very important. The offices are closed for almost 1.5 years. It's very important to keep the drains clog-free, clean. A clean drain ensures that the washrooms, the cafeteria are hygienic. Then I talked about the hand hygiene solutions. which is the no-touch dispensers, along with sanitizers, which we have to offer. And most importantly, which I talked about, our new offering, which is the virus killer, which not only deactivate pathogens, but it also provides a clean and a sanitized air.